How to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts problem easily and fast on Telegram app. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and now all what you have to do is go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the Telegram. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click here on this forward stop and then go down to the permissions. Make sure that all permissions are enabled. After that you need to go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch. Now here you have to enable all those options and go back. Now restart your phone, reopen Telegram, and congratulations.